Do you really believe that someone can be born talented? If your answer is yes, you have to watch this video till the end and your perspective may change. I had a few brilliant people's name in my mind, but I chose one and only Mr. Famous, Mr. Pablo Ruiz Picasso. He was a Spanish painter born in the year of 1881 and died at the age of 91 in the year 1973. Question is, what made him so famous? He is often referred as leader of modern art, Cubism. Let's see few artwork of Picasso in Cubism art form. Wikipedia says in Cubist artwork, objects are analyzed, broken up, and reassembled in an abstracted form instead of depicting objects from a single viewpoint. The artist depicts the subject from a multitude of viewpoints to represent the subject in a greater context. They are all great artworks. Let's see a few paintings from his early 20s. Aren't they amazing too? Let's come to the point where we have started this conversation. If you are thinking that he was born talented, you are probably wrong. Picasso studied in art school. His father was an artist, art teacher, and museum curator who began teaching art to Picasso when he was 7 years old. Picasso was accepted into the fine arts school when he was just 13. So imagine giving few hours daily to something you truly love. Don't you think anyone with such determination and daily practice can become a great artist? You can be a good chef, good singer, good actor, an investor, a bodybuilder, a public speaker. If you have such determination and you work every single day for your passion. No one is born talented. We all just have different hobbies. Something that makes us happy, and we should pursue that happiness. That's the only way to become expert in your niche. So stop scrolling your device for the meaningless things and give your precious time to something that makes you happy. And trust me, that passion shouldn't be just browsing videos. It should be actually doing something for yourself. I hope by now you agree that no one is born talented and every famous person gives a hell lot of time to become what they are. Today I won't ask you to like or share this video. Instead, I would like to ask you to start. Be the person who says, I tried but didn't work out for me. Instead of telling yourself, I never tried. So you decide. If you still disagree, I would love to know why. Please comment your views about this perspective. Catch you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.